Hi, shalom. My name is Dana, and I'm with Austin Opera in collaboration with the Round Rock Public Library, and I'm really excited to share this story time all about Hanukkah with you today. So, what is Hanukkah, and why do we Jews celebrate it? Well, in short, Hanukkah is about a group of Jews called the Maccabees who defeated the Seleucid army a very long time ago. They were under rule by a king named Antiochus who told them that they could not practice Judaism anymore. King Antiochus sent his army after the Jews. The Maccabees, although small, were strong and resourceful and rebellious, and they conquered King Antiochus's army, the Seleucid army. Hanukkah is also about this miracle where there was this tiny little bit of oil that should have been able to make light or fire for one day, but the miracle is that the light and the oil lasted for 8 whole days. And possibly most importantly, Hanukkah is about believing who you are and believing who you are is worth fighting for and not letting anyone take that away from you.
And now, step right up, it's time to play everybody's favorite Hanukkah game.
Name that Hanukkah tradition.
Hanukkah, like many Jewish holidays, is about tradition. Let's play a game to learn about some of these traditions. On Hanukkah, do we put carrots or candles in the menorah? We put candles in the menorah.
But eat your carrots. They're good for your eyes.
We light 1 new candle every night for 8 nights to remember the miracle of the oil lasting for 8 nights. Now, you might notice and say, hey, Dana, there are 9 candles, not 8, and you would be right. Good thinking. This middle candle is called the shamash. It is a helper candle. It lights each new candle each night. So on the first night, we would light this guy, or gal, of course. The second, the third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. And here's how my family lights the menorah at Hanukkah time. You'll see us light the candles and sing a bracha, or blessing, as we light our menorah. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav, v'tzivanu You may have heard of something called a dreidel. It's a game that many people play at Hanukkah time. But how do you win the game of dreidel? Do you win by seeing who can spin it on top of their heads the longest? Or do you win it by getting the most Hanukkah gelt, or chocolate coins? You win the game of dreidel by getting the most Hanukkah gelt, and here's how it works. If you spin the dreidel and you land on hay, you get half the gelt on the table. If you land on shin, you have to put one of your gelt in. If you land on nun, you get none. And if you land on gimel, you win them all.
It's raining candles. Hallelujah.
What are some traditional foods eaten at Hanukkah time? Do we eat the most nutritious and good for you foods like broccoli and kale? Or do we just smother and fry everything in oil? Yep, we fry everything. But it's for a good reason. Remember the story of Hanukkah and how the Maccabees had enough oil to last for 8 days, and that was such a miracle? That's why we fry our foods in oil, to remember that story and keep it close to our hearts and our bellies. We fry foods like latkes, which are potato pancakes. And we make these delicious donuts that are powdered sugar on the outside and jelly filled on the inside. Yummy. So yummy. Frying some latkes. Woo! Oops. Let's learn a song sung at Hanukkah called Chanukah O Hanukkah. The song goes into detail about a lot of the traditions that we've learned today, like spinning dreidels, lighting menorahs, eating latkes and jelly donuts, and you'll also hear about a dance called the Hora, which is a special dance that Jewish people do at Simchas, also known as Jewish celebrations. I'm going to sing your part all the way through so you can hear what it sounds like, and then we'll go back and learn it together. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Let's learn this song together. I'm going to sing it line by line, and I want you to be my echo. Here we go. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. Great job. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. We're going to repeat that. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Great job! All right, now that you know the song, let's sing it all the way through with the music. This is the fun part. When you hear the song, I would love for you to listen to some of the instruments in the song. You'll hear an instrument called a clarinet, and a clarinet is used in lots of different types of music. And in this song particularly, it's used in a Jewish style of music called klezmer. So listen to that as you are singing along. I'm going to start the song and then I'll cue you when it's your part. Here we go. I'm excited. Do you hear the clarinet? Hanukkah, Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party. We'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table. I'll give you a treat. Dreidels to play with and latkes to eat. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Great job! Give yourselves a round of applause. I'm so happy to read this book to you today called Hanukkah Lights Everywhere by Michael J. Rosen, illustrated by Melissa E.Y., and published by Gulliver Books and Harcourt Incorporated. I've read this very sweet book to my children many times, and I'm so happy to share it with you today. On the night before Hanukkah, we ready the house for company. My sister helps Dad make up the extra beds, and Mom peels apples for applesauce. I put a new box of candles by the menorah that's waited all year, just like me. for the Festival of Lights. On the first night of Hanukkah, we say the prayers and light one candle with the tall helper candle. Outside, the skinny moon beams like a proud candle flame against the dark sky. On the second night of Hanukkah, 2 headlights aim right through the window into the living room, where my sister and I spin the dreidel on the floor. Grandpa's here! There they are, playing the game of dreidel on the floor. And I see Hanukkah gelt. I wonder who's going to win. On the third night of Hanukkah, I switch on the lamps out front so that my cousins who are coming to visit can find our door. And suddenly, there are 3 more lights, like in our menorah. There they are, lighting 3 lights and 1 shamash helper candle for the third night of Hanukkah. On the fourth night of Hanukkah, I find 4 lights in the kitchen. Mom fries up platters full of latkes, and 4 flames flicker under the sizzling skillets and the pot steaming on the stove. There's Mom licking her lips, frying all those yummy latkes. On the 5th night of Hanukkah, my great-grandma gives me 5 shiny silver dollars, also known as gelt, 1 for every birthday I've had. When I line them up on my hand, they stretch from my tippy-top fingertip past my wrist and up my arm. They sparkle like 5 more lights in the candle's glow. On the 6th night of Hanukkah, my family takes a walk down the snow-covered streets. And guess what? 6 other houses have menorahs gleaming in their windows. Let's see if you can find all of those menorahs. Did you find them all? On the 7th night of Hanukkah, at my best friend's house, where he celebrates Christmas, a lamp with just 1 bulb burns in each window, 7 altogether, just like in our menorah tonight. Dad says that Hanukkah is also about the joy of different religions sharing a street. On the 8th night of Hanukkah, I find all 7 stars in the Big Dipper, plus the famous North Star above us, as though God, too, were lighting his own menorah in the sky. And on the 9th night, which isn't even Hanukkah anymore, and the next night after that, and even today, I still see things that remind me of our menorah, and I think about Hanukkah and about being Jewish in such a wide world of so many other lights. The end. And I'm wishing you a light-filled holiday season. Thank you so much for sharing this fun Hanukkah time with me. I hope you've had some fun. I know I've had a lot of fun with you. Take care, and until next time, bye-bye. Shalom.
Happy Hanukkah!
Happy Hanukkah!
Happy Hanukkah! Happy Hanukkah!